Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am in Khalanga, Dehradun, Uttarakhand right now, enjoying a refreshing evening run. The weather is so pleasant, the atmosphere is full of energy, and it feels great to be outdoors. As I move towards the local market and walk along the peaceful woods, I am enjoying every moment of this beautiful place. Uttarakhand is perfect for fitness lovers, nature lovers, and anyone who enjoys trekking, walking, or exploring the outside doors. The fresh air, green surroundings, and peaceful vibe make it a wonderful destination to visit. If you are planning a trip, do come and experience the fun, fitness, adventure, and natural beauty of Uttarakhand for yourself. And to make this evening even more special, the beautiful sunset view at the end is something you won't wanna miss. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching my video till the end.